Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make the length or durations of the photos the same in CapCut PC. So in CapCut PC, there is a settings where you can set how seconds you want the image that you add into CapCut long. So here I'm going to show you how you can do that. So go to menu at the top, and in here go to settings. Okay, so on the settings you need to go to the edit option, and on the third list in here there will be image duration. So you can set the image duration in here to have the same durations of each images. So just set the seconds to your liking, to your preference. So for example, I'm going to make it 2 seconds long. Click on 2, click on save, and after that the image that you added into CapCut PC will have the same duration. Let's see if I'm right. Okay, this one is 2 seconds. You can see now 2 seconds, and let's add the next one, and this one also 2 seconds. So that's how you can have the same duration or length of images in CapCut PC. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.